The shape of BrF5 molecule is. We have to get the answer using the VSEPR theory. For that, you need the basic understanding of repulsive units around the center atom. Therefore, the first thing you have to do is draw the Lewis structure of this molecule. First, we will calculate the number of valence electrons. Both bromine and fluorine are group 17 elements. Therefore, they have 7 valence electrons. Electrons exist as pairs. Therefore, we will calculate the number of electron pairs. The number of electron pairs in this molecule is 42 divided by 2, that is 21. These electron pairs exist as either bond pairs or lone pairs. Next, we need to find out the center atom. Usually, the center atom of a molecule is the least electronegative element. Therefore, bromine is the center atom of this molecule. Now, we will connect these 5 fluorine atoms using single covalent bonds. Now, we have used 5 bond pairs. Therefore, we will write number 5 for the bond pairs. Now check the number of lone pairs. The total number of electron pairs is 21. Therefore, 21 minus 5 is 16. Now we will assign these 16 lone pairs. We must give octet to the fluorine atoms. Because of the bond pair, they have just 2 electrons. Therefore, you need to add 3 lone pairs around each fluorine atom. Now we have assigned 15 lone pairs around these 5 fluorine atoms. But there are 16 lone pairs. Therefore, the remaining lone pair should be added to the bromine atom. Finally, check the formal charge around each atom. We will calculate the formal charge of a fluorine atom. Formal charge equals number of valence electrons, that is 7, minus number of electrons in lone pairs. There are 6 electrons in lone pairs, plus number of electrons in bond pairs divided by 2. There are 2 electrons in this bond pair. 2 divided by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 minus 7 is 0. Therefore, the formal charge of this fluorine atom is 0. Not only this fluorine atom, the formal charge of all these 5 fluorine atoms is 0. Next, we will calculate the formal charge of bromine. There are 7 valence electrons minus number of electrons in lone pairs is 2 plus number of electrons in bond pairs divided by 2. There are 5 bond pairs. Therefore, the total number of electrons in the bond pairs is 10. You need to divide by 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 minus 7 is 0. Therefore, the formal charge of bromine is 0. This is the Lewis structure of BrF5 molecules. According to the Lewis structure, there are 6 repulsive units around bromine. Therefore, the electron pair geometry is octahedral. Now we will draw the geometry of this molecule. The electron pair geometry of this molecule is octahedral, and these are the possible shapes for the octahedral geometry. This bromine molecule contains 5 bond pairs and 1 lone pair, that is AB5E type. Therefore, the shape of this molecule is square pyramidal. Answer is number 3.